In a sleepy 18th century town, a clockmaker discovers that every chime causes the town's baker to sneeze in perfect rhythm. The mayor, convinced this is a supernatural omen, declares a festival inviting sneezes to synchronize with bells. Exaggerated characters. The clockmaker wears goggles, the baker chases flour clouds, a librarian counts snores as musical notes. As the bells toll, pancakes flip midair and the crowd laughs, believing chaos is orchestrated by time itself. Historians note the odd spectacle boosted morale and local trade, proving quirks can lace history with laughter.